Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to set up iPad home screen. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel. So first of all, to arrange apps and widget, you have to guys hold the uh, home screen and you are enter into guys jiggle mode over here. Now once you're in the jiggle mode, now you can move any application by just holding and dragging anywhere you want. So you can change the position of the app, any app on iPad. Now that's the one thing. Now uh, if you want to add guys widget, so you just need to tap on this top right left corner add button, and now you can just tap on any widget you want to add on your home screen. So like I want to add this forecast widget. Now tap on this add widget option. Your widget has been added now, which you can keep anywhere you want on the home screen, or you can now you just once you added the widget. Now guys, you can also do one thing here. Now once you when you are in the jiggle mode, if you want to exit, just tap on the screen and you are out of the jiggle mode. Now if you want to customize your look, like, then you can go to settings and just go to wallpaper over here, and you can choose wallpaper on iPad. Tap on this add new wallpaper, and now you can make your iPad more aesthetic. So just tap on add button at the top right corner to add this wallpaper, and tap on set as wallpaper pair, or you can customize home screen as well. So let's tap on home screen, and let's make it gradient, or you want anything you can customize here, your home screen wallpaper as well. So just tap on done, and we are done. Now you can see that our home screen is completely changed. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can set up your home screen. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye bye.